Hey guys, welcome to Alice Everyday. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a 45-degree, very easy to build, cool looking shelf. So guys, welcome back to another build. Now this one's very easy and anybody can do this with very simple tools. Now in my case, I am going to complicate it for myself and I'm going to use a router, but you don't have to do this and I'll explain how to do it without it. I am using 6-inch wide boards. So we're going to need 2 boards at 2 feet long, 1 board at 1 foot, 4 sections that are going to be where stuff is going to rest over it at 8 feet. We're going to need 2 squares at 5.5 inches. Since the board is not actually 6 inches, they actually make 5.5 inch squares. And we're going to need 2 of those and we're going to split it right down the middle at a 45-degree angle to get our little shelf units. Now this is a very simple build. All you have to do is align every piece where it goes and you are done. If you want to do this real quick, you can with just screws. So all you have to do is measure out where each section is going to go, put up your holder or the base of where stuff is going to go, slanted everything sideways, and you're good to go. In my case, I'm going to take it a bit slower and I'm going to complicate it. I'm actually going to make little groups where the shelves are going to pop into. And this is how I did it. Now I do recommend to use some glue at every single joint that you're gonna have. If you are following my steps of actually making the grooves where they're all gonna fit in, then yes, you should put a lot of glue in every single one, since we're not gonna use any screws at all. We're gonna keep this very simple, and you're gonna have the glue actually holding everything together. Now this will be able to hold some weight, not too much, but just enough that glue can hold it together. And that's actually the reason why we're making grooves, so it actually has more surface to hold on. Overall, it's a very simple build. You're just gonna duplicate one top section and one bottom section, and then you're gonna join them together with your 1-foot board. Now we're gonna cut our 8-inch long sections, which are gonna be the basis for every part of the shelf. We're gonna need 4 of those. Always give it a bit of sanding to every cut that you make. It just makes everything look so much better at the end. Now to place the bases, all you have to do is add some glue and just stick it on there. Now if you want to use screws, go ahead and just drive your screws straight in and you're good to go. Make sure that everything's level for one final step, make any adjustments you need, and that is it. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this build. It's very easy and simple to make. I decided to complicate my own build and added all the grooves for all the slides to go in. If you don't want to do that, or if you don't have the tools to do so, you can just line everything up, put some screws on it, you're good to go. So I hope you enjoyed this build, guys. Please let me know down in the comments how yours turned out. If you have any questions, let me know. Everything I use is also in the description down below if you need to get anything or any supplies. There's also tools that I recommend that you should get, so go check them out. If you're looking for more projects, don't forget to subscribe and check them out down below. I have playlists for you. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next build.